Join us at the SPS Dental Academy Results-Driven Hygiene Workshop, where you'll gain cutting-edge insights and practical skills to transform your practice. This isn't just another workshop. It's an interactive journey where you'll learn essential soft skills, master co-diagnosing strategies, and set clinical standards that will elevate your hygiene department's performance. Ready to transform your hygiene department? Customize a perio-focused hygiene roadmap. Raise periodontal awareness. Overcome personal and practice obstacles. Master communication so patients say yes to treatment. Streamline your scheduling to achieve daily goals. Empower and incentivize your hygienists. Reduce insurance rejections. Increase hygiene production by 30 to 50%. Achieve 22% pay over production averages. Increase case acceptance. And empower and inspire your team. Empower your team, elevate patient care. Sign up today for SPS Dental Academy Results-Driven Hygiene Workshop.